Hello everyone, this is day 19 of my English journey. आज कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं, सिर्फ रियल इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस। मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 5 सिचुएशंस जहाँ मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ और आप भी बोल सकते हैं। 5 daily situations when and where I practice with real sentences. First situation is our morning routine. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I make my bed. I feel sleepy but motivated. Second situation is while cooking. Repeat after me these sentences. I am making tea. The water is boiling. I need some sugar. One more time. I am making tea. The water is boiling. I need some sugar. These are the sentences which you can use in your daily routine. Situation number 3. When you are using your phone. Repeat these sentences after me. I am checking my phone. I got a message. I will reply later. Or I'll reply later. One more time. I'm checking my phone. I got a message. I'll reply later. Use these sentences when you're using your phone. Fourth situation is when you are going outside. You can use these sentences. Repeat after me. I am going outside. The weather is nice. I will come back soon. One more time. I am going outside. The weather is nice. I will come back soon. You can use these sentences when you are going outside. Try to speak out. Situation number 5 is night reflection. As you say yourself, today I practiced English. I made mistakes. I will try again tomorrow. Say to yourself and say for yourself. Today I practiced English. I made mistakes. I will try again tomorrow. Speak out these sentences in your daily routine. Hope you are speaking with me. These all sentences. You can use these sentences in these situations what I have explained. And challenge yourself to practice. आज सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस चूज करो और एक सिचुएशन चूज करो और 5 सेंटेंसेस डिपेंड ऑन दैट सिचुएशन 5 सेंटेंसेस आप लोग बोले. डेली 5 सेंटेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट, दैट्स इनफ. Or you can increase with your capability. अगर आप ऐसे डेली प्रैक्टिकल वीडियोस चाहते हो और आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. डे 20 में हम कुकिंग प्रैक्टिस और ज़्यादा डीप करने वाले हैं. सो जॉइन मी इन दिस जर्नी. एंड आई ऑलवेज सेज दैट I am a learner, not a teacher. So if any mistakes in this video, or you can give any kind of suggestions or advice related to this journey, so feel free to share everything. Thanks for watching the video.